Hey y'all, today I'm gonna fix you a salmon stew. Hope you enjoy it. Get you a pot on the stove, cut it up to about medium high heat. Throw in some chopped up bacon. This is about a half a pound, a little over a half a pound. You're gonna fry that bacon till it's crispy and done. Then you're gonna add in one chopped Vidalia onion and one chopped up green bell pepper. And you're gonna stir it up and cook those onions till they're clear. When those onions are just about done, add you a splash of Worcestershire sauce in there. When your onions are done cooking, go ahead and add in 2 cups of chicken broth and begin to scrape the bottom of that pot to get all that flavor off of there. Next, you're going to add in 4 cups of tomato juice. Following the tomato juice, you're going to add 1 big can of tomato soup. We're going to go ahead and add our seasonings in there. We're going to add salt, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, and some hot sauce. I don't have measurements for these. I just go by taste. So make sure every time you add something, you taste it, and kind of do that throughout the remainder of the cook. And just to knock the edge off, we're going to add a little bit of sugar in there. Next, you're going to add 2 cans of sliced potatoes. You could slice the potatoes yourself and add them in there. It really doesn't matter. I'm just using the canned potatoes today. Alright, so when it's wanting to start to come to a simmer, go ahead and add in your salmon. This is just the normal canned salmon. This is about 2 cans worth, but put that in there and stir it up real good. Now your salmon's going to come apart and it's not going to be so chunky as you cook it. And so just a couple minutes of letting it simmer, put the lid on it, cut the heat to low, and then you're just going to let it simmer for maybe 20-30 minutes and stir it occasionally. Our salmon stew is done. We got our bowl. We got a little bit of rice in that bowl, and we're going to add this salmon stew. Man, look at that. You see the salmon in there. You see the peppers. You see the potatoes. You can see the bacon that we fried up. Man, it's such great flavor. It smells great, and it tastes even better. This is some good comfort food for a cold day. And, man, you just got to make this recipe and try it sometime. It don't get no better than this. But since we're having, I guess you could say, a seafood dish, we got to add in some hush puppies. And so a couple hush puppies in there. And that's it. Try this recipe sometime. Let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching.